Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the 8-digit PIN on a Spectrum router in 2026. Now this PIN is usually used for the WPS connections, which allow devices like printers, smart TVs or Wi-Fi extenders to connect to your network quickly without typing the full Wi-Fi password. So if you are trying to connect a device and it asks for the 8-digit router PIN, I will show you exactly where you can find it. So first of all, the easiest way to find the 8-digit PIN is by checking the label on the Spectrum router. For that, you just have to turn your router around and look at the sticker on the back or the bottom. So the sticker is going to look something like this. This label usually shows some of the important network information such as the Wi-Fi network name, which is called SSID, the Wi-Fi password, the router login address, and the WPS pin, or it is also known as the device pin. So here, if your router supports WPS pin connection, the 8-digit pin is often printed directly on this particular sticker. Now, if the pin is not printed on the router label, the next option is checking the router settings. For that, you just have to open your web browser on a device which is connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Then you need to enter the router's login address in the address bar and sign in here with the help of your username and your password. So when you are inside the dashboard, simply navigate to the wireless section, and here in the wireless section, go to the WPS settings section. Now inside the WPS settings, look for the option which is called WPS pin or router pin. So if the feature is enabled, the system will display you an 8-digit PIN which is used for connecting the devices through the WPS authentication. Some of the routers also allow you to generate a new PIN if the previous one was disabled or expired. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to definitely find the 8-digit PIN on a Spectrum router in 2026. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.